Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable images on your Google Chrome browser in your Windows PC. If you don't want to see any preview of images on your browser, you can follow this easy and simple method. Just you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just open your Google Chrome browser settings like this. In the settings, in the left panel you can get the option privacy and security. Just open it, and here in the right panel you can get the option site settings. Just open it, and here guys, scroll down, and here you can get the option in the content section images. Just open it, and here you need to select don't allow sites to show images. Just you need to select this option, that's it. Now guys, on your browser the image preview will not show you. As you can see guys, I have searched some images on Google. As you can see, no images preview was showing in my browser, as you can see. So with this help of option guys, you can easily disable the images on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. It's the short but very useful and important video. Hope you like this video. If you like guys, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.